Are you tired of starting your day with bland, boring meals? Well, we've got you covered. Introducing our delicious recipe specially designed for diabetics. A breakfast that will leave you satisfied and energized. We start with a base of whole grain oats, packed with fiber to keep your blood sugar levels stable throughout the day. It's the perfect way to give your body the fuel it needs, without the worry of spikes and crashes. Next, we'll add a dash of cinnamon and a touch of vanilla extract for a burst of flavor that will delight your taste buds. Not only does cinnamon add a warm and comforting aroma, but studies have shown it can also help lower blood sugar levels. Now it's time to add some natural sweetness and crunch. We're talking about freshly picked blueberries bursting with antioxidants and a handful of sliced almonds for that perfect texture. They're a fantastic source of healthy fats and protein, giving you the balanced breakfast you need. To bring all the flavors together, we'll finish it off with a splash of unsweetened almond milk. It's the ideal dairy-free and low-sugar alternative that adds a creamy texture without compromising on taste. There you have it. A delicious and nourishing breakfast that's perfect for diabetics. It's the ultimate way to start your day and take charge of your health. So why wait? Get creative in the kitchen and treat yourself to this tasty recipe. Your taste buds will thank you, and your body will thank you too. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious and healthy recipes. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.